Are you good to go?
Yeah.
Here comes Willie.
Wow.
It's a what?
The rescue station.
Oh.
The rescue hero.
Who works in the rescue station?
Who works inside?
Really great.
Willie Blade?
Does anybody else?
No.
Throwing it on the baby.
Who is it? The what?
Wendy Waters?
Did Santa bring you Wendy Waters?
Hey, what's the dog doing in there?
What?
Hey, what's the dog doing in my life station? Hey, what's the dog doing in my station? Wow, look at the dog out of my station. I don't know. I just stopped toy.
Do you like it, Will?
You open it for me? This is a heavy one.
It is a heavy one here. Where's the paper going?
Is that what you wanted? Yeah. Did Santa know?
Did Santa know? Did you tell Santa on the phone that you wanted Wendy Waters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he got it for you, didn't he? That Santa's a pretty nice guy. Well, you got all kinds of toys. That's crazy. I guess you were a really good boy.
Hey, I took it in the rescue station house. That's crazy. That's crazy.
You're crazy.
That's a shotgun in there.
Just wait. I don't know if it's a shotgun. Or is that a rescue hero machine? What do you think it is? Oh, those are parts. It's okay.